Good morning, Dr. Shapkin here from Mandell Chiropractic Center. In a moment, you're going to see me adjust a young woman who was involved in a car accident a couple of years ago. She now returns regularly for maintenance care. Come, take a look. Remember, if you've been involved in a car accident, suffering from headache, pinched nerve, neck or back pain, or dealing with sports-related injuries or postural issues, come in to see us. It's what we do. At Mandell Chiropractic Center, we can help you.